Hello guys, and this is actually a part 2 to this update video because last time it kinda got cut off. So we are back with a part 2. As you may notice, my egg looks a bit strange now, doesn't it? It's different. I changed the egg. Yep, I'm very sorry, but I changed the egg. I used to have this egg, but now I have this egg. I don't know. It matches a bit better. But as it was cut off, I was previewing this one right here, the Spring Festival. Are you an egg collecting expert by now? There are still tons of prizes to this to be found in the Spring Festival. Find the seasonal adventure in the party list. Alright, let's go to the party list. The Spring Festival. Wait. Hold, I want to check something. There's a pigeon out. Okay. That doesn't matter. Alright. But what does matter is that I'm an egg because I don't know why, but I don't have any eggs in here in our little pet inventory thingamabob. And these are like the only eggs that I've ever had. Ever. Never had an egg. Ever. Ever. Alright. Just hold on. It's very laggy. Let's just come on. Let's get down here. Oh, we did it. Alright, we did it. Alright, so this little egg right here. Triggered. Color swap my wings to white. Oh, what the heck? My egg, because it doesn't have a name. That's so weird. I don't know if I don't know. That's a bit creepy. Oh. Oh. Well, that's very sad. I'm gonna cry. Alright, but what we were supposed to, before we got distracted with the Play As Your Pet party, Spring Festival with a creepy bunny that is looking at us from behind the bushes. Hello, Lolly. You love spring? I like spring. I don't love it, though. It's alright. Here's our beautiful fox, and there is beautiful Lolly. And we're on a hunt for eggs. This already has been out for a while. It hasn't just come out. It has been around for a long time. I found an egg. Oh darn, it's lagged. Perfect. Alright, that's all the eggs we need for today. I just need one egg and that's it. What a nice little bird nest hat you have there, Mr. Owl. Are we in Alden? Darn. I always get in Alden when I don't need to get in Alden. But now that I don't need to get in Alden, I'm in Alden. Sigh. Alright. Do some spring trading. Trade attempts for art. Let's look at this nice art. That's very cute. And it has 5,000 likes. That's a lot of likes. Wow. Huge mall, my den. Let's take a look at this person's nice mall. Speaking of mall and buying stuff and all that, blah, blah, blah. Hold on, hold on. I'm sorry, but, we need to see the super secret item. We need to see the super secret item for the day because I forgot to feature it in the last one. Well, I was gonna feature it. Cough, totally. Yep. So I actually know where it is. It is over here, up here. It's a really cool item. I like this item. And I'm going to add it to my spring den. Oops. I didn't oopsie, everyone. Hold on, guys. I will be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back. I did an oopsie. Glorialia did an oopsie. I accidentally closed out all of my tabs, and that won't happen again. Alright, let's go get the super secret special secret item for the day. What do you see here? Anything new? These eggs? No, those have been released for a very long time. This egg tree? No, that's also been released for a very long time. But this egg basket? It is beautiful. We need this. We need this. We need it. Oh, yes. We're gonna get at least 2 of these baskets. Oh, yeah. We need 2 baskets. This is a beautiful item. Yes. Alright. Alrighty. Oh, yes. These are so perfect for this den. Because I have made this a spring den. So we're going to find a nice spot for these nice eggs. Alright, let's go make our way up here. Maybe we can put an egg basket here. No, just lots of stuff down here. But there's not much stuff up here, so we're just gonna take our time. We're almost there. We're almost there. We made it! Woo! Okay. Come on, please. Just work. Oh my gosh, for once something goes on a table. Oh my gosh, that's a miracle. Alright, if I could just skedaddle that one over here, and then skedaddle this one right here, and then skedaddle this one a little over, and skedaddle this one a little, I can actually put stuff on a table in Animal Jam. I am the master. Hold on. Let me just don't mind me. Just gonna check the wallpaper. Alright. Okay. Wow. This is some nice new wallpaper that I got. But, for spring, I must leave rainbows. 'Cause it's magical. Wow. Ah! The lag. Anyways, guys, there's one last thing in this update that I have not reviewed. This is a pretty long update video. It took 2 parts to update, but that is okay, because more updates means more videos. So here's the last thing. Earth Day! Oh yes, with all those pretty nature stuff, the deers and the butterflies and nice little banners around. Yes, you should click on these little banners. Let's go find. Okay, I'm going to set a scavenger hunt for ourselves. We're going to try and find 3 of these Earth Day banners. This one does not count. So 3, 2, 1. I'm going to go on a scavenger hunt for Earth banners. Let's go into the newly added Bloosh. Alright. Is there any banner thingies in here? Nope. Alright, I give up. Alright, next. Is there any banners in? Yes, I found a banner. That is one banner. In 1990, a team of 20 mountain climbers reached the top of Mount Everest in honor of Earth Day. Ooh, that's pretty nice. I never knew that. Ooh, I'm learning. Let's slide our way down in accomplishment of finding one banner. Beautiful. Alright, 1 out of the 3 we need. Now we need some more. There's definitely some things here. I don't see anything. Don't worry. Hold on, let me just check this really cool shop that comes. I don't see anything that I really need. Ooh. These are kind of cool. We can get some of those. All these plant things are really cool. All this stuff in here is really cool. Ah! I'll come back for you, really cool plants area. Whoa, we're going down. We found another banner. Oh, yes. That's 2 out of the 3 banners that we need. Cleaning up litter, saving electricity, and planting trees are all things you can do to celebrate Earth Day. How magical. Alrighty. Now, what way shall we go? Let's go the way that I'm going right now. Jama Township. Well, we already found one here, so maybe we should go over here to the Temple of Zyos. Yas, I found another one. Oh my, wait, this art thing is so tiny. Is that, can I actually go? No, I didn't mean to do this. Oh, wait, what is, okay, that's kind of a cool game. Alright. Hey, look, my little snake. Alright. Earth Day! Happy Earth Day! Fun fact, as our last one that we are going to be reading for the day. Do you want to volunteer for Earth Day? There are hundreds of associations all over the world that can help you. That's pretty fun. So guys, I hope you enjoyed these two update videos, part 1 and part 2. And I hope you really liked this really cool update. I liked the update. I think it was pretty fun. I mean, my fox and my snake here, they look like they had fun. Fuzzy Jinx looks like it had fun. And Windaroo thinks he my bad. I think we all have had fun. I really like this new animal, and I'm also wondering what this new animal will be. And also, can't forget about the new extravaganza pet. I will tell you what it is once this little egg hatches in 3 days. So, I guess I'll see you in 3 days. Peace!